Happy Chinese New Year. It is the year of the tiger, February 1st, 2022. We are going to make some beautiful paper fold tigers, also known as Zhezhi. Hope I'm saying that right. It's a Chinese word for folding paper. You'll need a 6x6 paper, your Happy New Year card, and a black Sharpie. Step 1, fold your paper in half. Take one end of your paper to the opposite end and make a triangle. And take your time. I'm really being very precise, making sure that the edges are touching and lined up. Fold at the crease. And then what you're going to do is step 2, you're going to fold that paper again. So keep it in this nice big triangle and then fold the opposite end over to the other end and fold at the crease so you're making a smaller triangle. Should look just like this. And then unfold it. What we're going to do is take the top of our triangle for step 3 and fold it to make an even smaller triangle at the top. This is going to be the top of the tiger's head. So no more than an inch. Should be a very small, little tiny triangle right there in the middle. Step 4, you're going to fold the bottom of that triangle to make another triangle. Take the fold to the edge of that top triangle that you made. So just make sure that it lines up. Take your time and then crease at that fold. This is your tiger's ear. And we're going to do it at the opposite side. So fold where you see that crease in the middle and take the edge of that triangle to the top where you created that first fold for the top of the head. And now turn it around and you have your beautiful tiger and it's ready to be decorated. Take your black Sharpie and I'm going to fast forward on this. This is the way that I decorated my tiger. I wanted to make sure I had the stripes. We know that tigers have stripes, so I put 3 stripes at the top, stripes on the ears, stripes on the cheeks. And you can make your tiger any way that you like, as many stripes as you like, as little stripes. Create a little happy face. Maybe your tiger is smiling. Maybe your tiger is ferocious, is showing its fangs. I wanted to make a cute tiger. All right, and then you're gonna glue it to your piece of paper and then glue your Happy New Year sign, and that's it. 新年快乐. Happy New Year to each and every one of you. Embody the strength, the bravery, and the confidence of the tiger this year. I hope that you enjoyed your Zhezhi, your paper folding. I can't wait to see your beautiful tigers. Have an amazing day, Master Artist. Peace.